The very concept of shoving people into an idea that's based on willpower is what is going to produce shame. And if you have struggled with shame through your weight loss journey, which I definitely did, um, I struggled with shame in tandem with my weight for 20 years. And it wasn't just having the weight, it was the fact that I kept failing at these things that created so much shame. Willpower, the more you employ willpower, the more you're going to create shame. That's the best way that I can put that. So ditch any idea that willpower is somehow a useful idea as you go through your weight loss journey. Number 6, it uses glimmery tricks like goal weights, or my personal favorite these days, I keep seeing an ad over and over again for a weight loss calculator. If you do this diet and then you put in your desired weight, and then it tells, or how many weeks you're willing to do it, then it tells you what you're supposed to weigh. I don't know. These are like I said before, you don't need a goal weight at all to have a good weight loss journey. In fact, I think you shouldn't. In fact, I preach the exact opposite. And you might be thinking, yeah, but like, how do I know what I'm supposed to weigh? That's such a good question. Let's explore that for a second. You, your weight is a reflection of your daily practices, which you can sustain, what you want to do, and what you like doing. And your weight will fall to what that is. And so the amount of difficult things that you're willing to change, the amount of exercise that you want to build up to, whatever. Think of it like a little algorithm, right? You make a little change here and then it changes over here. You make a little change here, it changes over there. And it will fall to that level. So what and I'll go into this more in the what is sustainable weight loss, but essentially it's an exploration and not a goal. Anything that really holds this glittery thing out there for you to get to, or a chart. You can throw out the BMI chart, you can throw out a lot of things. This is really about you and grounding you to your actual life and what it is that you can sustain. So if you're being pulled by some sort of like little trick, or this, and it doesn't feel like a trick, I guess, in the moment, because you think like, oh my God, I'd love to weigh 142 or whatever, but when you're being pulled like that, when something glimmery is being put in front of you, you should back up. That's like, your reaction should be to back away from that, because what you're going to be asked to do between now and that glimmery number is not good.